Hi, hello, welcome to the channel. This video covers data flow from data center to data analytics and AI applications. Data is captured, stored, processed, and analyzed at data centers using logical systems, different tools, and techniques. Let us see each of this one by one. First, the data center. The data from the source is stored on hard drives in data centers. Data centers are physical buildings with servers, hardware, cooling systems. Data lakes store vast amount of raw data, unprocessed data, or processed data. Big data, which is vast amount of data, which is in terabytes to zettabytes, are generally stored in data lakes. Let's say a transport system collects traffic flow for safety measures of driverless car in real time. This involves vast amount of data. Data warehouse stores processed data, structured data. Data mining is a process of discovering patterns and relationships in data. Data science explores data lakes for driving innovation. Data analytics explore data warehouse for drawing insights. Now, next let us see data preparation for machine learning and artificial intelligence applications. The source data is historical data or past data, or it could be real-time data from social media posts, medical devices, transport systems, industrial IoT, or Internet of Things from smart home sensors. This data is stored in a physical space on computer servers in a data center. Data center is a building with servers, cooling systems, network IT operations like Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud Platform, Microsoft Azure. Data lakes store all formats of raw data, unstructured and structured data. Example, Amazon S3. Raw files, text files, audio files, videos, no SQL are unstructured data. Data in table form, in rows and columns, in Excel spreadsheet is structured. Data warehouse stores structured data like SQL database. Data mining is a process of discovering patterns and finding connections and relationships in large data set. If you have already bought a product, it is more likely that you may want to buy another product from same category. Let's say a customer bought a laptop from online store. Then it is more likely that the same customer may want to buy a laptop bag to carry new laptop. Customer may want to buy antivirus software for the new laptop. Next comes data science. Data science explores both structured and unstructured data using AI and ML to create software product offerings like a recommendation system. Data science takes broader view which includes data analytics. Data science works on both AL and ML algorithms. Data analytics is a process of analyzing data to answer specific questions, identify trends in the data, convert customer feedback into profitable insights for business growth. Tools like Microsoft Business Intelligence Tool, Excel spreadsheet are used for visualization of data, finding the facts, truth about the data. Finally, data science is about strategy driving innovation, whereas data analytics is about asking right set of questions to find the facts, reality, truth from the data. Data analytics is about zoom into the data to get to the facts. Data analytics shows us the direction for market trends like a compass. Data analytics keeps in tracking KPIs of the product. Like, is there demand for the product? How many bought the product in the last 1 month? How many products are returned? So on. Business can make most out of their data by understanding the problem to be solved, looking for the necessary data, cleaning the collected data, analyzing and interpreting the data, finally repeating the experiments by including latest and trending data in the system. Now moving on, the use cases of data science and data analytics. Let's consider a recommendation system. A customer uses a streaming service like Netflix to watch movies. The movie recommendation system makes use of data science and data analytics. The recommendation system uses machine learning algorithms to gather customer data like search history, watched content, customer location, viewing time. The machine learning algorithm uses these inputs and offers specialized recommendation to customer. Now, how to find out whether the customer watched the recommended movie or not? How to improve the recommendation system? Use data analytics as next step to ask specific questions, find facts, truth, and draw insights to improve the recommendation system. Coming to the next use case, a customer bought a cell phone from online store. In this use case, we'll see how data mining, data science, and data analytics are connected. Data mining process can help find connections and relationships and anticipate that the customer who bought a cell phone from online store may buy an insurance for cell phone. Customer may buy a screen guard, a cover, and other accessories like wireless headset to pair with the cell phone. The recommendation system then can use data science and data analytics to recommend the accessories for the new cell phone and by customer reviews and ratings draw insights using data analytic tools for business growth. This brings us to the end of this video. I hope you got a basic understanding of data center, data lakes, data warehouse, data mining, data science, and data analytics. We'll discuss more about these topics in the upcoming videos along with the Edge Data Center. Till then, see you in next video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.